Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a data entry form on Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you open your Excel, then you create the headings of the table. So for instance, I can have the first heading as first name. Let me make it capital. First name, okay. Last name, mm, student ID, um, exam mark, exam mark, okay. uh, Grade, okay. Then you have remarks, okay. Just an example, okay. So after typing in the headings, you highlight everything, okay, and go to insert, then table, and you check this box. My table has headers, okay. All right, then when you are done with this, then you come to files, options, then you come customize ribbon, then you choose commands not in the ribbon, okay, commands not in the ribbon. All right, then you look for forms. Where is form? Okay, there it is. Okay, and you select add. Okay, then first of all you come and create a new tab here. Okay, so after that you select on this, then you okay. All right, so then you rename this as data entry. That is what will appear on the ribbon, okay. Data entry, okay. Come here to rename, then you name it as form, okay. There you go, you're done. So now you can see it as part of the ribbon, okay. All right, so anytime you want to enter your data, you come there, data entry. Oh, sorry, something went wrong, the forms. Okay, let me go back to customize ribbon and correct this out. Okay, I didn't select the forms. Okay, all right, so now we have the forms there. Okay, all right, so when you click on data entry, You see form here, select. All right, so now you have all the headings of your table in there, where you can directly enter all the items over there. So first name, for instance, I can put John. Second, last name will be John what? Okay, John Cena. Popular name. All right, then student ID. Oh, sorry. I didn't finish this. Oh, all right. So let me go back. So first name John. Cena. So student ID. All right. So exam mark. Let's say 60. Grade. C. Okay. Then remarks. Average. Okay. Average. All right. Then after this, enter. All right. So here you can see everything being entered smoothly. Okay. So you can continue with all the data you have in that order. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting and educative videos. Thank you. See you. Bye.